Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best highlighter pen sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sharpie highlighters with chisel tip, fluorescent yellow. The highlighter pen set from Sharpie are presented in a pack of 12 fluorescent pens. Its appealing quality is its visible ink control, which enables you to observe the amount of the ink left. Therefore, there is no need to guess or wait for the amount of ink consumed. Know before you're low with the Sharpie liquid highlighter. This pack of highlighters offers smooth ink flow for consistent marking, while the visible ink supply and indicator help you keep track of ink levels. These highlighters feature a versatile chisel tip perfect for highlighting, underlining, and taking notes. Meanwhile, the pigmented, fluorescent yellow ink dries quickly to produce bold, easy-to-see color. Moving on at number 4, we have the 40-color dual tips permanent marker pens for kids from Ohuhu. Built with the dual tips that are narrow, fine, and wide, this highlighter pen set from Ohuhu is specifically designed to lure the mind of kids. You can highlight in a creative manner with a wide range of bright colors. If you are confused about what to give your kids or friends who are artistic or creative by nature, then you should go for this product. At number 3, we have the Avery highlighters, non-toxic, smear-safe ink, value pack of 24 highlighter pens. Now you can make the important words, phrases, and lines to be emphasized through appealing with the use of this set of highlighter pens from Avery. This pen set allows you to highlight a significant part in the text so that you can identify them effortlessly. The molded chisel tip of these assorted color highlighters gives you the precision to highlight or underline text in eye-catching fluorescent inks. Keep your documents in pristine condition with a smear-safe highlighter ink that doesn't bleed through most paper and won't smudge pen, marker or inkjet inks. The pen-style construction makes the highlighter comfortable to handle and features a narrow barrel and a removable cap. Its tip won't fray or mush, and a handy clip lets you carry it with ease in a pocket, tote bag or organizer. At number 2, we have the Bic Brite Liner Highlighter, Assorted Colors. With the help of vivid fluorescent ink, these highlighter pens would mark the desired section of the page. Therefore, you can easily emphasize the text in your documents, notes, and even in textbooks. These highlighters come in 5 highly visible, fluorescent colors, like our iconic yellow highlighters, allowing you to easily color code and emphasize information. Each highlighter has a versatile, firm chisel tip that allows you to seamlessly switch between broad highlighting and precise underlining. Bic Brite Liner highlighters can be left uncapped for up to 8 hours without drying out. And thanks to their convenient pen-shaped design, these fluorescent highlighters are easy to grip and use. And finally at number 1, we have the Sharpie 25164PP Accent Tank Highlighters. If you are contemplating using the student highlighters, then the present model of Tank Accents Highlighters pen set is the ideal choice. With the use of high-technology manufacture, these pens present wonderful features. Sharpie highlighters are reliable and long-lasting. Each fluorescent yellow highlighter features a wide barrel and large ink supply for dependable marking. The quick-drying ink resists smearing. Let ink dry before highlighting. These highlighters feature an easy gliding chisel tip that highlights and underlines both wide and narrow lines of text. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.